From raw earth to refined elegance, the journey of glass is a testament to human ingenuity and transformative power. Our story begins with silica sand, the fundamental building block, sourced and meticulously prepared for its fiery transformation.
Beyond sand, soda ash and limestone are vital, carefully stored and ready to be precisely blended into the glass batch.
Every batch undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring only the purest ingredients contribute to our superior glass products.
Precise measurements are paramount. Automated systems meticulously combine silica, soda ash, limestone, and cullet for the perfect blend.
This carefully prepared batch, a symphony of elements, journeys towards the furnace, where heat will unleash its potential. Into the furnace, where temperatures soar, raw materials begin their alchemical transformation into molten glass.
Within this crucible of fire, raw materials surrender their individual forms, merging in.
This molten sea, 1,000 degrees hot, represents the birth of glass.
Expert operators diligently control every variable, ensuring the molten glass maintains its perfect viscosity and temperature, a delicate balance.
From the furnace, a perfect gob of molten glass emerges, precisely cut, ready for its next critical transformation into form.
With breathtaking speed, molten gobs plunge into molds, instantly taking on their initial, predefined shapes under immense pressure.
Pressure and precision combine, as molten glass is expertly pressed, taking on the intricate forms dictated by the mold's design. Freshly formed and glowing with heat, these nascent glass products begin their journey along the cooling conveyor, solidifying their structure.
Entering the annealing layer, the glass undergoes a critical, controlled cooling process, relieving internal stresses and enhancing durability.
Emerging cool and strong, each piece is meticulously inspected by skilled hands, ensuring flawless quality before the next stage. Robotic precision takes over, gently transferring each cooled glass piece, a testament to our advanced, efficient manufacturing process.
With pinpoint accuracy, a laser etches our brand's mark, transforming each glass item into a symbol of quality and identity.
For our most exquisite pieces, skilled artisans apply the final touch, hand polishing to achieve an unparalleled, brilliant luster.
Every surface, every curve undergoes rigorous optical inspection, ensuring each product meets our exacting standards of perfection.
Even the smallest imperfection, an almost invisible air bubble, is meticulously detected, maintaining our commitment to flawless craftsmanship. Any item failing to meet our rigorous standards is carefully removed, ensuring only perfection proceeds to the next stage.
Each flawless glass product is carefully placed into custom-designed, cushioned trays, preparing them for their secure journey ahead.
For ultimate protection, a specialized film is meticulously applied, safeguarding the glass during transit and installation, ensuring pristine arrival.
Each finished product, now encased in elegant, branded packaging, journeys along the line, ready for its final destination.
Automated precision ensures perfect palletization. Each box is securely stacked, preparing for efficient, safe distribution worldwide. A final layer of protective shrink wrap secures each pallet, safeguarding our precious cargo against the rigors of global transit.
From our factory floor to global destinations, our products are carefully loaded, embarking on their journey to customers worldwide.
Our fleet departs, carrying the fruits of our labor across continents, delivering unparalleled glass products to discerning clients.
Finally, our creations grace elegant showrooms, where their beauty and craftsmanship captivate discerning eyes.
Journey of glass is also a cycle of renewal. Recycled cullet, meticulously sorted, begins its path back to brilliance. Powerful magnets diligently extract metallic impurities, ensuring only the purest glass cullet proceeds to the next critical stage.
Advanced optical sorters meticulously identify and remove non-glass contaminants, guaranteeing a pristine cullet supply for remelting.
Color-sorted and perfectly pure, this recycled glass cullet stands ready, a sustainable resource for new generations of products.
This purified cullet re-enters the manufacturing cycle, seamlessly integrated, proving that sustainability is at the heart of our operations.
Recycled cullet blends seamlessly with virgin raw materials, forming a perfectly homogeneous batch, ready for the intense heat of the furnace.
Our commitment to sustainability is evident. The precise proportion of recycled cullet is proudly displayed, a core part of our process.
These towering silos hold the future of glass,
virgin materials alongside our meticulously processed cullet, ready for their journey.
In its Bloira. In our R&D lab, every batch is tested. This small molten button reveals critical properties.
Viscosity is key. Scientists meticulously measure the flow of molten glass, vital for perfect shaping and forming processes.
Innovation drives us. Our engineers meticulously refine 3D CAD models, pushing the boundaries of what glass. From digital design to tangible form, 3D printing brings our mold prototypes to life, accelerating innovation and refining every intricate detail. The physical prototype allows for crucial hands-on review, refining ergonomics and aesthetics, ensuring every design detail is perfect.
From digital design, CNC milling machines precisely carve durable metal molds, the silent architects of our glass products' forms. This meticulously polished mold, a masterpiece of engineering, awaits the molten glass and it will transform into a flawless creation.
Complex molds, crafted with precision, are meticulously assembled, ready to receive the molten glass and define its final, intricate form.
With automated precision, new molds are seamlessly integrated into the forming machine, ensuring swift and efficient production changes.
Even with automation, expert technicians perform final calibrations, ensuring every parameter is perfect for flawless glass formation.
In the new mold, the first glass products emerge, perfectly formed, marking the successful start of a new, precise production run.
Every new product undergoes rigorous dimensional checks, ensuring it precisely matches the design specifications, a commitment to perfection.
Still warm, each newly formed glass product is carefully loaded onto specialized racks, ready for the critical annealing process.
Entering the annealing layer, each glass product begins its precisely controlled, gradual cooling, relieving stress and enhancing strength. Thermal imaging precisely monitors cooling, ensuring each glass piece achieves optimal strength and durability, a testament to our meticulous control.
After annealing, every surface undergoes meticulous human inspection under specialized light, ensuring a flawless, pristine finish.
Perfectly annealed, each glass product glides smoothly towards the next stage, a testament to our relentless pursuit of excellence. With surgical precision, a high-pressure water jet carves intricate designs, transforming flat glass into complex, functional components. Carefully, the precisely cut glass component is removed, its flawless edges a testament to the power and accuracy of water jet technology.
For safety and aesthetics, skilled hands meticulously sand each glass edge, transforming sharpness into a beautifully smooth finish.
Automated precision refines every edge, bringing forth a brilliant, flawless shine, transforming function into elegant form.
A specialized protective coating is meticulously applied, enhancing durability and ensuring our glass products withstand the test of time.
Within the curing oven, the protective coating bonds perfectly, enhancing the glass's resilience and ensuring lasting clarity and strength.
Robotic arms, with unparalleled precision, assemble delicate glass components, creating intricate structures with flawless alignment.
With an artisan's touch, specialized adhesive is meticulously applied, creating seamless bonds that unite individual glass components beautifully. Under intense UV light, our specialized adhesive cures instantly, forming an invisible, yet incredible functional hardware is meticulously attached, transforming elegant glass into robust, practical products, ready for real-world application.
Large, intricate glass structures, now fully assembled, glide along the line, a testament to our precision engineering and seamless production.
A final, protective sealant is meticulously applied, ensuring weatherproofing and enhancing the longevity and performance of our glass. Before packaging, each glass product undergoes a final, meticulous visual inspection, ensuring absolute pristine perfection for our customers.
The final mark of authenticity. Our elegant brand sticker is meticulously applied, a promise of unparalleled quality and luxury.
Each exquisite glass creation is gently nestled into its custom-designed, luxurious box, ensuring a grand presentation upon arrival.
Every detail of our luxury packaging, from embossed logos to exquisite textures, reflects the premium quality within.
In our studio, skilled photographers artfully capture the essence of each glass creation, presenting its beauty to the world.
Through the lens, every curve and facet is perfectly composed, capturing the true artistry and brilliance of our glass creations.
Our exquisite glass products take pride of place in luxury retail, captivating connoisseurs with their unmatched beauty and craftsmanship.
A gentle touch reveals the exquisite smoothness, a tactile experience that speaks volumes about the superior craftsmanship of our glass.
Our knowledgeable associates offer personalized service, guiding customers through our exquisite collection, sharing the story behind each creation.
Each price tag reflects not just material, but the culmination of unparalleled craftsmanship, innovative design, and enduring luxury.
Beyond the surface, we meticulously inspect the internal clarity of every glass block, ensuring flawless purity for structural integrity.
Robotic precision grinds and polishes large glass panels, achieving an unparalleled, mirror-like finish, ready for architectural wonders.
With controlled artistry, sandblasting etches intricate patterns, transforming clear glass into captivating, textured works of art.
The careful removal of masking reveals intricate sandblasted designs, transforming clear glass into a stunning interplay of texture and light. The finished sandblasted panel, a masterpiece of light and texture, stands as a testament to the boundless artistic possibilities of glass. Every mirror undergoes meticulous cleaning, ensuring a flawless, streak-free surface that perfectly reflects the world's beauty. The magical moment, a fine mist of silvering transforms clear glass into a perfect mirror, reflecting light with pristine clarity. Each newly silvered mirror undergoes meticulous inspection, ensuring its reflective surface is absolutely flawless, a testament to perfection.
From molten glass, creations emerge that honor achievement. Beautifully etched awards.
A diverse array of glass products, each a testament to meticulous craftsmanship, undergoes final inspection, ready for the world.
At the heart of elegant dining, our exquisite glass stemware and tableware elevate every occasion, transforming meals into memorable experiences.
Beyond aesthetics, our functional glass empowers science and industry. From precise laboratory tools global journeys, our custom glass panels are meticulously packed into robust wooden crates, ensuring safe and secure international delivery.
From our factory, across vast oceans, our glass embarks on global voyages. Reaching across the open ocean, our cargo ships carry the promise of quality, delivering glass that shapes homes and industries worldwide.
Our architectural glass defines luxury interiors, seamlessly blending spaces, inviting light.
Every intricate detail, every color shift, every light refraction reveals the soul of glass art.
Even in rain, glass captures the city's spirit, transforming urban lights into mesmerizing.
With immense pride, our skilled artisans present the culmination of their dedication.
From elegant tableware to architectural marvels, our glass products embody endless possibilities. As day turns to dusk, our factory continues its tireless work, a beacon of innovation. Our legacy is etched in every piece: innovation, precision, and the enduring beauty of glass.